It is Tax Tuesdays, and I might as well say this. Yekani uqamba manga SARS. Stop lying with SARS. Guys, AI and computers and machines learn. They don't forget. You're not dealing with human memory anymore. We are dealing with computers. I've done a video why I failed in tax season last year. Failed in terms of just the overall approach. Clients were happy. We were able to deal with the changes. We were able to submit. People got their refunds. Some strategies failed. And this is purely because we are dealing with a technological advancement that I'm very much proud for, but I also have to ask over its procedural fairness. No, but I bet they're chopping and changing and chopping and changing and chopping and changing. The last update to the platform was on the 8th and 9th, but look at one on the 1st of February, e-filing was updated. From the 17th and 18th of January 2024, e-filing was updated. All digital platforms. This is the one I applaud. Our AI assistant was launched. I will not lie, in being able to interpret the bouquet of publications that SARS have done, especially its interpretational guides. But the AI is functioning. It still has some tricks there and there. Like I've put in some queries that it failed to interpret, but it's there 24 hours. Another system update. AI assistant. Before it was Lozi, Ask Lozi, but now it's Ask AI Assistant. Here's another. 10th December, Easy File was updated. Easy File is for employer reconciliations. There you go. System was updated. December, Mopi app functions were updated. Now again. 6th and 7th December 2024. The e-filing platform was updated. Guys. Hey! Hi, Bandla. When I can allow December updates, because I was ready. This is the 28th of November. There was another update. They have this vision that was written in 2024 for a smart, modern SARS with unquestionable integrity that is trusted and admired of paramount. Pivotal to the delivery of our vision is our digital platform. When did I have a vision of ensuring that South Africans are integrated quite effectively in this ecosystem, digitized? But here we are. I'm not a hater of it. In fact, I'm a supporter of South African digitization, but it has its problems. We are swimming at SARS. It's creating business opportunities, but if you have investment to respond. Definitely, I cannot commoditize our service anymore while responding to technology that is individualizing and responding to a memory that is stronger than me. It's not human error anymore. It's computers. It's artificial intelligence constantly adjusting. Yay! This one on the 22nd of November was the one, I had done a session where the first prep session was to train you on how to just interface with the platforms, how to log in, how to appoint yourself as a public representative, like this basics, how the e-filing platform works. Once they changed it to the OTP system, like it was this one, when this one was being talked about that it's coming, everything we'd done up till September, October was useless. So then coming here, again, Mark Silverman, I'm going to talk about this man because I think he is in his years of wisdom. I'm not going to talk about race because that's just like a waste of conversation for us in South Africa. He has been someone who's been working the South African ecosystem quite a long time in taxes. And he's done what I wish I was doing today. This is what I built my career on. I went into taxes, actually. I chose that NXTA network specializing in taxes because I knew we were going to be digitized and there's potential for AI and this bright future. Obviously, his years of wisdom and my young ambition have total different platforms, and I'm very much grateful and proud of their achievement. As I talked, they have the AI that's talking to writing letters when it comes to SARS, when you're objecting, when you're disputing. We definitely use the service quite a lot. Because that's where we work. We are fighters of the law on your behalf. We're advisors pre-transactions in tax planning. And then the submission of returns is the final step. But then submission of tax returns, Nina Manga, and we're fighting technology. Look at this whole video. We're fighting technology as practitioners of accounting and taxes. I will not lie. I cannot. Like, if any tax practitioner charges less than 15,000 for submitting a return, they don't know the risk they're taking for themselves. Mina, at a minimum, I'm saying, and we at a minimum where we separated the role of a tax practitioner and an accountant. Ngoba at an accountant level, ayikho into ngayikhuluma, ayikho advices ngesinikeze yona, because that's a relationship directly towards you. And then we bring in the agents of SARS that then help us then directly, again, they're certified and they're registered. They then directly help us, you as our client, to then go and submit, because they're the only authorized people to assist you and charge you with SARS. Shintshile game musanike uqamba manga ngoba uyayichaza lawo Mark Silverman athi the interconnectedness of the systems. SARS has more information on you than you have and are aware of yourself. Tina, as accountants, we must play the same role. And I had to just swallow and allow him to go through the thought processes. Because he was saying, Natasha, it felt like you were investigating me. I'm investigating him. I'm like, this is what the digital platforms are asking for. This is what SARS is asking for us to ask for you, especially in the provisional tax submissions. We had to do financial statements. There were statements of assets and liabilities, both local and international assets needs to be declared, and personal use and business assets needs to be declared. The interconnectedness of this disclosure made the client almost sweat me. If we don't pass through this process, I'm not going to submit. Konanje, I apologize for these ones, but they booked. We initially consulted. We then talked about what needed to be done. They did not come back. We had to remove them in December from our profiles because they then didn't contract us with an engagement letter for 12 months to cover the full work of service. Cool, be good people. I know this video is probably not going to get a lot of views, but nikamba manganje I technology. So what's the solution to why I'm getting a kambamang? Rather engage an accountant that knows the law and knows the tax mapping and knows tax planning and tax declarations and accountability at a financial level. And this is us. Like I'm saying, go to accountants like us. No, but it is a much more integrated process. Rather pay for to your accountant so that then shut. Akwenzele inkonzo akwenzele kahle ngabe ukuthi ugcina icala ngoba ugcina icala in technology it comes back. Wabonje, AI capabilities are wreaking havoc on the processes, on taxpayers, on us the accountants. If you're a professional in the accounting field and you agree with me, comment on the video. I usually don't get that much engagement, but we are dealing with technology, which is why we are having now a clear technology division as NXA Network. We are responding to create the environment where technology flourishes and we as then the users adapt well, because it's wreaking havoc. Look at this one. The devil is in the details. SARS, you cannot send me a letter and it's vague, which is why I love Mark Silverman's work. I love his AI. His AI takes years of his experience in writing these letters so that then we're more nuanced on it. And there's a fee, like it's $1,000 plus thing per month to pay for that service. Just to have the technology supporting you while you have to pay your membership fees as a professional. Guys, gizobi is a shame. But it does not mean you need to lie. You need to lie on your tax returns. No, but the system is ready. And once they, like, I actually, there's a client we're supposed to go for an objection for. But I'm telling you, if we go for an objection, the amount of work we're going to have to jump through because of this. Hi, my name is Natasha Kulu, the creator of NXA Network. This is Tax Tuesdays. Wisdom, and the wisdom for this is just video is stop lying on your taxes. Rather, go to someone who can then position your taxes quite effectively according to the law, and that's us.